In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a disappearing photo on Instagram. So, if you want to send a photo that disappears after someone opens it, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on Messages. Next, open the chat with the person you want to send the disappearing photo to. Now tap on the camera icon inside the chat. You can now take a live photo or video using your camera. Once the photo has been taken, look at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see three different options. The first option is View Once. If you select this, the recipient can only open the photo one single time before it disappears permanently. The second option is View Twice. This allows the recipient to reopen the photo one extra time before it disappears. And the third option is Keep in Chat or Unlimited Views depending on your Instagram version. This option keeps the photo inside the chat so it can be viewed multiple times. Simply select the option you want to use. Then tap Send. Now the photo will be delivered with the viewing settings you selected. And that's how you can send disappearing photos on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tutorials and social media tips.